Hey there, in the past few days I have pretty much automated with OpenClaw my socials, specifically TikTok, and actually 3 TikTok accounts. Of course, the main technology behind it is OpenClaw, but I have been using 3 things that I want to talk about here. The first one is I have built this war room here that you can see where I have multiple agents, not only the agents that I communicate with, that's the commander, but I have all these other agents here: scout, strategist, creator, copywriter, publisher, and generalist, because whenever I have scheduled or I want to create an additional one, I talk to the commander and the commander will break down the tasks to the other ones, and I can actually see it here in the war room pipeline, as well as the communication between the agents. This is the first thing that I want to talk about. The other 2 things are the skills that I have been using, and namely, it's the Larry's. I think it went viral. Not I think, I'm pretty sure it went viral on Twitter a few days ago, and this is the one. It automates your TikTok slideshow marketing for any app or product pretty much. And I have been focusing on promoting my app. It's called Win 10 Minutes. Basically, slideshows. That's the main premises. So I use a mix of Larry's and GenViral. So GenViral is the platform that I'm using to post and schedule my posts as well. But also, they have created their own OpenClaw skill as well. And I'm also using that to generate slideshows from a prompt and have the image for that slideshow as well. I have a human step in the loop, which is I review the post as a draft. It's sent to me or saved as a draft on TikTok, and I review and I add the music. Of course, it also allows for analytics, tracking performance, and learning the main hooks and angles that are working or not. So those are the 2 skills that I've been using the most for that. GenViral, the own platform, the platform that I use to post or to schedule my posts, skill, as well as Larry. Here is the platform, by the way, GenViral. As you can see, this is my past 30 days. I want to say maybe the past 4 days have been using the entire system in a fully automated way, or as close to it as possible. And there are 3 hard truths that I want to talk about right now. The first one is, so far my results have been not so different from what I used to have in terms of performance per post. Of course, the frequency and consistency has been better, but I haven't seen a per post average increase, to be honest. And the second hard thing or hard truth is, I think the war room now, and I know it's kind of polemic, I'm not sure it's helping more than not. Every time that I've encountered an error or an issue, it has been associated with the existence of the war room. So I'm strongly considering moving on from the war room and just having one agent with the skills that I want it to have, handling that part. It's going to be up to the agent, and of course, based on the skills, tools, and so to launch sub-agents to achieve whatever goal we are trying to achieve. And the third and final hard truth is, I am not sure if I should be using 2 so similar skills, Larry's and GenViral. There are a lot of similarities, at least on what they're trying to achieve. And I think I should stick to one, test it, let's say give it a week or 10 days, and then try the other one if the result's not good with the first one. So those are the next things that I'm going to be focusing on. Stay tuned here in this profile and also in the other 2 ones that I'm going to put in or pin in the comments below. Cheers.